Thank you for attending our 4-month status report meeting. I shall try to keep this brief and to the point. Overall, we are in very good standing on the task. What affects the overall status? Currently, the challenges I'm facing as project manager are relating to the stakeholders making multiple changes to the course design. Everyone thinks their ideas should be added to the plan without prior approval or considering the impact on the budget. I want to implement a scope change approval process that must be done in writing and signed off by all the stakeholders prior to implementation. The scope change approval process must take into consideration the implications on the budget and time constraints. The milestones we have accomplished so far have been the project outline has been written and approved. We have a project scope statement that has been approved by the stakeholders. The budget has been prepared and is in the process of being approved. We are working through some of the scope creep issues that in our training area, but by implementing the scope change approval process, I feel confident this will be rectified in the near future. Keeping everyone on task as it relates to training materials has been a challenge. Everyone has different ideas on what the training should look like. Getting more input from the stakeholders has helped us narrow down our choices and allowed us to start making revisions to the material. There are 3 main course levels we will be rolling out. They are the executive, introductory, and advanced courses. As you can see, the Gantt chart is filling in nicely as we meet and exceed our goals along the way. This is an excellent tool to keep us on track and gives us a higher chance of having a successful project. I thank you very much for your time today. We will meet again at our next status update meeting in a couple of months.